If you've ever needed a quick and simple way to create a one-page website, Card might have popped up on your radar. But does it live up to the hype, or are there hidden pitfalls? Let's dive in and find out. Card is designed to help you build responsive one-page websites without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Right off the bat, the interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. You can choose from a variety of templates tailored for different purposes, be it a personal portfolio, a landing page, or even a simple blog. The drag and drop functionality feels intuitive, allowing users to customize their site with ease. However, one area that feels a bit lacking is the depth of customization. While you can tweak a lot, some more advanced users might find the limitations frustrating. Another notable aspect is the seamless integration with third-party services like Stripe or PayPal, which is great for those looking to sell products or services directly. But if you are after a more complex site with multiple pages, Card might not be the best fit. Overall, it's straightforward for quick setups, but some details could use more clarity, especially for users wanting extensive design freedom. So, what are the pros and cons of using Card? On the positive side, it's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners or anyone needing a quick online presence. The templates are visually appealing and the pricing is quite reasonable, especially for those just starting out. However, there are some downsides. The customization options may leave advanced users wanting more, as you can't create multiple pages without upgrading to a paid plan. Also, while the free version is decent, some essential features like custom domains and analytics are locked behind a paywall, which might be a turn-off for some. In terms of trust, Card seems to have a solid reputation, but as with any service, it's wise to read the fine print on their pricing and features to avoid surprises. In the end, Card is a fantastic option for anyone needing a quick, stylish one-page website without breaking the bank. If you're looking for something simple and straightforward, it's worth trying out. But if you need more complex functionalities, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners.